If you're in a collision, why call Wicklunds CARSTAR and we will walk you all the way through it. We do have a 24/7. That means that we have a live person on the telephone 24/7 and they will help you. CARSTAR nationally has a motto that is relax, we'll take it from here. That means in most CARSTARs you can come in and it's a one-stop shop. You can get the tow truck, they can get the insurance company contacted, you can get a rental car, you can get the car repaired, and you can get a guarantee on it. Locally owned and nationally guaranteed.
We are the first independent franchisee of CARSTAR in the Kansas City area to be certified to repair the new F-150, the 2015, that Ford came up with an all-aluminum body.
Wicklunds CARSTAR has invested over $65,000 in new equipment and employee training, enabling them to repair the new Ford F-150 and other aluminum vehicles coming soon to the market. A ribbon cutting was held with the Liberty Chamber of Commerce to celebrate the new addition to their shop.
The challenge with aluminum is, as you can see with the bay that we're in here, it has to be separated from steel particles because it will start galvanic corrosion if you have steel in with the aluminum, so they try and keep them separated. And as you can see, we have specialist equipment over here. We have a dust extraction unit that's just for aluminum dust like it shows there, because you cannot have steel and dust together in one particular area, one motor, because there is a possibility of an explosion.
We've been repairing aluminum for many, many years, over 20, 30 years, but now with the new F-150 rolling out, we came up with this clean room because of the specialized equipment and training that is needed for my employees to put the vehicle back to pre-accident condition.
Yeah, when it comes to training, for example, in this location, they've sent 3 technicians to be fully Ford trained. And what that means is they have to be aluminum welding certified through ICAR, which is our industry training body. They would have had to go through the Ford informational course, which is an online course. And they would have taken some other aluminum specific courses to enable them to repair this particular vehicle. This here is one of the approved riveters. So, with the 4,000 plus rivets in this vehicle, you have to use a specialist riveting tool. So for example, in here, normally this would be what was called a pinch weld. This is actually a rivet push through, and you can feel on the other side of the rivet. So that's where you'll see a lot more rivets, where traditionally you would see a steel welding process. What Wicklunds has done is they've invested in this holding system. So when you're doing bonding and riveting, while you're waiting for the bonding to cure, the adhesive, they can put it in the perfect place where it should be from the factory. So other people may guess where it would be. This is actually an optional item that Wicklunds has decided to purchase and support their aluminum repair. I think if you own a vehicle, is to make sure you know where to get it repaired. Don't just take it to anybody. Understand and ask the questions. Don't be shy about asking the questions. Say, are you aluminum capable? Do you have the tools and equipment to repair my vehicle? And if they don't, find somebody who does. Very important.
Here at Wicklunds CARSTAR, we go through very strict quality control standards. Your vehicle gets checked off in a process all the way through the repair process. Right before it goes to paint, we make sure all the welds are grinded down and sealed properly. After it gets painted, we make sure that there's no imperfections in the paint, from runs to dirt to any objects that may be there. Make sure the color matches. We have a shop manager go through, check it to make sure that they see everything fit. It goes over to our detail department. They go through and do another quality control standard on it. Get your vehicle all cleaned up, because as we all know, when it's inside a building with dust, it may get dirty. So every vehicle we work on, we give a nice pretty detail to. Then when we get it out front, the initial estimator that wrote the estimate and works on the file with the customer also goes over the vehicle out in the sunlight, so they can make sure they don't see any imperfections. And we go through that whole process before we ever call the customer. So we don't have any issues when the customer does come to pick up. If for any reason we do, we have a lifetime warranty on all of our repairs. If a customer is not satisfied for any reason, we won't hesitate to get the vehicle back in and do everything we can do to get the customer completely satisfied.
At Wicklunds CARSTAR, every vehicle we repair comes with a 5-year nationwide guarantee. If you decide to retire and move to Florida, your warranty actually transfers to any one of the 250 plus CARSTAR locations nationwide. Choose Wicklunds CARSTAR to get the best auto body guarantee in town.